Okay, so if you haven't watched the last video already, which is part 1 of this, me completing the whole chapter of economics, go watch it, okay? Okay, so now we were doing PPFs. So I said so PPF. So basically this graph shows you what you can produce and what you can't produce, right? And what's the best possible way you can produce something, right? So let's see. The possibility of A. Okay, here's it, yeah? So it represents it in the graph, right? So basically what this means, let's look at A. If you produce 0 pizzas, let's say this whole thing is your business, right, to make it simple. If you produce 0 pizzas, which is your pizzas, 0, then that means you can produce 15 CDs. If you produce 1 pizza, you can produce probably 14, okay? So what you're seeing here, as you increase in the making of the pizzas, you're making less CDs, right? You're making less CDs. So your opportunity cost of pizzas will be CDs. They're increasing. Okay? So your opportunity costs for making pizzas will be increasing because you're choosing to make more pizzas. But as you go into the right, what happens? The CDs are going down. And it makes sense, okay? You cannot make 15 CDs and 15 pizzas, okay? If you're going to make 20 pizzas, then that CDs have to decrease for you to make that 20 pizzas. You only got like 6-7 hours in a day, okay? So it takes you 30 minutes to make pizzas, and 30 minutes to make burgers, for example. If you make one more burger, then you have to basically reduce the other product, right? So PPEs are very important now. PPFs. So basically what this means, unattainable. So let's say you want to make 5 pizzas and 10 CDs. So 5 and 10. So the dot will be somewhere here. Is that possible? No. The PPF is telling you that, listen here, it's not possible. There's no way that you can do this, right? But if you want to make, let's say if you want to make 1 pizza and 5 CDs over here, is it possible? Yes, it's attainable. But here's the thing, it's not efficient, okay? Why you want to make 1 pizza and 5 CDs when you can make 3 pizzas and 10 CDs? Like, why? Everything on here is the best outcome on this dark line. It's the best thing. Making 0 pizzas and 15 is the best thing. Making 1 and 14 is the best thing. Making 3 pizzas and all this is the best, it's the best. Okay? Now, when you look at this graph over here, obviously now you have to pick, okay, which one? Do you want D, which is making 3 pizzas or 10 CDs, or do you want that? So you have to pick which one. Now, picking which one among these dots on the star depends on you, right? If you're doing well in CDs, then you can make 15 CDs and 0 pizzas. It's fine. If you're doing well in maybe pizzas, you can make 4 pizzas and 5 CDs. Fine. So all this is the best outcome, right? It's the best for the business. If you can sell 10,000 products a day, why only sell, let's say, 100 products? Like, why? So that's attainable over here. You can do it. Don't get me wrong, you can do it. But it's not worth it when you can do more, way more. And obviously unattainable, yeah, it's just, you can't do it, right? You don't have the efficient resources to do it, right? For example, if you got 100 rand, you cannot make 100 burgers. It's impossible, so it falls unattainable. But if you have 100 rand, you can make 1 burger, it's attainable. But if you have 100 rand and a burger costs you 10 rand, then that means you can make 10 burgers, which is on this line. That's a maximum, that's efficient. Okay? So PPFs are very important. Trade along the PPF, obviously, as I previously showed, there's a lot of trade-offs, right? As the pizza is increasing, you're trading off the series, but it's coming less. Opportunity cost is the higher value next alternative. So obviously, picking more pizzas, your opportunity cost will be CDs, because you're decreasing the CDs. You're saying, oh no, CDs, we're not going to produce more. Exactly the same, increasing opportunity cost. I said that. Using resources efficiently, right? So basically, the dark part of the PPF tells you that that's the best efficient way of doing things, right? It tells you like what to produce, okay? Where to do it, how much quantities, whatever. Okay, so PPF and marginal cost is the opportunity cost associated with producing 1 more unit. So yeah, I told you that before. The cost associated with an increase in production is called marginal cost. So when you manufacture more products, okay, let's say you got A and B products, you manufacture more B products, then the cost is going to be expensive, so that's marginal cost, right? Marginal benefits is the increase of benefit received, huh? So if you manufacture more burgers, you're going to get more money. That's an increase, that's a benefit. Okay. Oh yeah, one thing there before it says marginal benefits. Where is it? Oh yeah, at any point in the PPF, you cannot produce more good without giving up something good. I told you, I saw every time you increase a product, one must go down, right? Not one, it can go down from 2, 3, it can be anything. All the best points on the PPF. Okay, so I told you the dark point is the best point, which you as a business should do because it's efficient. Now, when the economy grows, right, this means that more people will get job, more people earn higher salaries, we got more resources, more better money, economic growth, whatever. What's going to happen is this graph, which was the blue, it's going to extend to the light graph, so it will become this light blue graph like this. Now, why? Because think about it. This product, this 10 remains the same, but see here, this is 5 and this is 7. So instead of making 10 pizza ovens and 5 pizzas, when the economy increases, you can make the 10 pizzas, but now you can make more pizzas. You can make 7, so that's 2 more. So basically, if there's increased economic growth, the graph moves in a very outward direction like this. Always know that. Increased economic growth, and picture this, because it's going to be in a multiple choice. They'll tell you outward. That'll be one of the answers, outward, okay? Now, technology change is a new development of goods and products and better ways of producing. You saw this, right? Now we got robots and factories and stuff, new ways, technological change. Capital accumulation is capital. Capital can be a lot of things, right? It can be your human resource capital. That means your capital is your employees, okay? Then it can be capital in terms of finance, right? Money, it can be land. Capital, you got maybe your land, you're renting or whatever to get that factory on that piece of land, okay? And same thing, right? Anytime you affect growth, it goes in outward direction. Gains from trade. Because it is very, very important, absolutely important. Absolute, you get it, okay, never mind. Comparative advantage and absolute advantage, right? Very important. Okay, so first let me discuss what's that. Okay. So, comparative advantage is when a person can perform a better activity at a lower opportunity cost. So, to summarize, the comparative advantage is when a person has a lower opportunity cost than someone else. Okay. Absolute advantage, a person who has more production than someone else. For example, comparative advantage. If my marginal, what's this called? Opportunity cost for making one pizza is 10 CDs, and for let's say someone else it's one pizza to 20 CDs, I will have the competitive advantage because I'm only giving up 10 CDs where the other person will have to give up 20 CDs. An absolute advantage, if I produce 100 products and somebody else has produced 10,000 products, they have the absolute advantage because they are producing more products than me. Okay, so first question, what is Liz's opportunity cost of producing one smoothie, right? So if she produces one more smoothie, then obviously, so this is a formula, right? Opportunity cost, right? It's the minutes to produce what you basically, the opportunity cost of that over the minutes to produce the others, right? So what is the Liz opportunity cost of producing one smoothie? So go to one smoothie, how many minutes? It's 2. So you write 2 over, how many pizzas minutes? It'll take 2. 2 over 2, which is 1. So it'll be 1 pizza, right? Now, if you see this for Joe, right? Let's do Joe, because Joe has different, yeah? What is the opportunity cost of producing one more smoothie for Joe? It'll be 10 smoothies, 10 minutes, over 2, which is 5. So he'll opportunity cost of producing one smoothie would be 5 pizzas, 10 over 2, which is 5. What is Liz's opportunity cost of producing one more pizza? That'll be 1 smoothie. In which 2 activities does Liz have an absolute? I told you absolute best production. Liz, where's Liz? Where's she? Okay, let's see. Okay, she hasn't smoothies. She produces 30 products in an hour, but Joe only produces 6, right? And then another one, you can see it's pizza, but it's same 30 and 30. So, at the end of the day, but we can only say smoothies. In which two activities does Liz have? Yeah, it's only smoothies, because these are the same. In which other track does Liz have a competitive? So she has a less opportunity cost. It'll be smoothies, right? Because we calculated it. If you produce one more smoothie, the opportunity cost will be 1 pizza. But Joe, his opportunity cost of producing 1 smoothie will be, we calculated 5 pizzas. You see? So it's Liz. She has a better competitive advantage. Can we finish answering these questions? Solutions to economic questions. Okay, so this, wait. Yeah, all this here now, which is like only like 15 pages, done, which is, to be honest, very, very little. It'll take 1 lesson. We never do it. I mean, I never do it in my group yet, block. So I'm sure no one else did it, or even if somebody else did it, I'm not going to teach you something which I never learned myself, right? So, yeah. So, I mean, but the rest is very, very, I mean, it's like 10 slides. So we did like already 50. Let's see, yeah, 50 slides. Okay, so we covered the basis of it, right? I mean, we covered all. So basically, what we did so far in economics, I have covered it, right? Alright, so that's it. Okay, so yes, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.